Since I was young, I decided I want a little bit more for me. And Canada was always in my dreams. My name is Rafael Rodrigues. I'm an Operations Supervisor at Miller. In 2016, I moved to Timmins, then I went to Miller. Then since then, I'm a Miller guy. Some people, they want to build a future. If you're ambitious and fight for a better future, you'll have a better future. Everybody can achieve what they want, right? If they put the work there, they're gonna achieve it. Canada is a very good country with a lot of opportunities. I started my career in Miller in 2016. It's a very good company to work for. I'm a guy who likes to learn and always open to learn new stuff and new experience there. A little bit by a little bit, I went from cleaning the floor as a mechanic assistant to a supervisor and running projects. Miller is being very good to me, being the most I can dedicated for them. That's why I'm still here and I'm dedicated to the company.